D2C is an integrated counter-drone system with functionalities such as drone incursion early warning, detection and identification, positioning and tracking, as well as signal jamming. It consists of a mainframe, a power box and a control suite. It supports fixed installation or vehicular deployment. Input the IP address of the system, click Enter to access its user interface. The interface comprises 7 functional zones: tidal zone, EMAP, detection, location result, jamming control, system information, system settings and map tools. Instant detection result with details such as drone serial code, model, frequency, coordinates etc. as well as pilot coordinates. It's able to locate and track drone flight path with meter-grade precision. D2C has 2 modes of neutralizing drone threats: drive away and force landing. Drive away mode jams drone control signal to force a drone to enter fail-safe mode to fly back to its home point. D2C supports white listing. It wouldn't alarm if white list drones were detected.